am going to tell about computer engineering full roadmap. You can get a package up to 30 LPA. Hello friends, my name is Parvasa. Welcome to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Parvasa. First, pick a programming language. Programming language can be anything, but best three is start with C++, Java or Python. Learn basic about these languages and start DSA. Minimum you take a 3 months to learn on maximum 6 months. Now learn basics of front end. In basics of front end you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript with some frameworks like AngularJS and React.js and make a simple project. Now it's time to learn a backend. In backend you can start with a Java or some else programming language. You can make a full stack web development project from front end and backend mixer that you can add on your resume. Now in the last but not the least, you have to learn soft skill like speaking, confidence, etc. And you can make your resume better, simple and shorter.